guys, welcome back to another vlog. I'm trying to put my little visor on, but today is Saturday and we are at Six Flags Great Adventure in New Jersey. Super excited, haven't been to an amusement park in forever. So yeah, babe and I are out here with family and friends, and we're gonna take you on the adventure today as we are here. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, like this video if you like vlogs, and yeah, stay tuned. So just wanted to come on the camera and say hello and do a little intro. I will try my best to remember to do an outro. I know I don't be doing good on the outros, but stick with me, girl, stick with me. So yes,
stick with us today. We gonna tap in every now and then, you know what I'm saying?
This guy bringing M&Ms into it in the park that says don't bring outside stuff. Anyway, I'll see you guys when we get there. Guys, so we just left from the safari. Babe and I are now on this ride, and we are high in the air, you guys. So I don't want to. Fun fact: I'm afraid of heights, so I'm not gonna like be putting my phone to show too much. But I'll show you guys that we are going above the park. Just got off a ride, and now we have some sugary drinks to keep our energy going in the park before eating, and we will. Look at my braid. Catch back with you guys later after we figure out where we should go. We probably should go that way. Yeah, I will catch you guys on the next adventure.
I don't need to think about it. There's nothing in this world that we can't do. Flowers even mad about it, 'cause they can't bloom like you don't. I don't see a way around it, 'cause everything has led me straight to you. It's nothing new. Baby, I'm outside.
What is up, you guys? Happy Saturday. I am super excited for today because Babe is picking up his tux and we're going to be going to a family cookout. So I know that the groom can't see the bride's wedding dress prior to the wedding day, but is there a rule that the bride can't see the groom's tux before the wedding day? I wonder if Babe is gonna let me see his tux today. We shall see. But yes, so we're gonna be handling some wedding stuff and just hanging out. So I want to take you guys along with us, so stay tuned.
Now dreams, I'm outside. I'll drive, you pick the station. Sunrise, no destination. No lie, I've been so patient, like winter waiting for June. I'm done and waiting for you, waiting for you. Baby, I'm outside, been thinking about you all night. Been thinking it ain't right if you and me only see us in our dreams. I'm outside, been thinking about you all night. Been thinking it ain't right if you and me only see us in our dreams. I'm outside.
What's up? Today is Sunday. I just purchased some little goodies from Sephora, as you guys saw. They have these new bags. They're not as, I don't know what they call it. They're more paper now. Comment down below if your Sephora is doing that. So I'm actually in Joann's now to pick up one more foam thing and another bouquet of hydrangeas. And I think I'm gonna show you guys how I'm creating my centerpiece. The last one, I made all the other ones, and I'm gonna show you guys how I made the centerpiece. But yeah, so let's go.
I don't see a way around it, 'cause everything has led me straight to you. It's nothing new. Baby, I'm outside, been thinking about you all night.
Alright guys, so as you seen in the last video, I think I stopped it there. As you seen in the last video, I spray painted this like 3-tier thing. 3 of these. I spray painted it gold. It was originally silver, and it actually came out really nice. I'll show you guys the spray paint that I use. So if you have like some DIY projects that you want to do, and you're like, you know what, instead of like trying to search for gold, or even spending more money to get this like metallic gold, think about DIYing it and spray painting. The spray painting was like $3.96 at Walmart, and this entire thing was about $6 at TJ Maxx. So I just spray painted it gold because this is the colors of our wedding. This is the accent color of our wedding. So, and I love gold, so that is that. But I wanted to unbox like the Amazon packages that just came in, because what's going to go in here are wristbands, since we're in a time where everyone's not as comfortable as others, or whatever the case may be with COVID. I decided to do the wristbands to determine if you're more comfortable than someone else when it comes to those wristbands. I'll show you guys the sign as well, because this is wedding content, so I just wanted to show you guys that. So these came in. I don't know why the green ones are on like a delay, but they'll come in after. But basically you'll get the gist. So these are like those wristbands that you will wear to like amusement parks or things like that. So I just got yellow, red, and green, similar to a traffic light, just keeping it very simple. So that's what's gonna go inside of here, but it's not gonna fall through. It's gonna be in that little thing, but I'll have red, yellow, and green, and then the sign will tell you which each color means. So that is that. Got that from Amazon. And I got something else here. Let's see. All right, so I'm just gonna open this box up. Here are the red ones. And if you guys want me to do a wedding haul, then let me know down below, because that's gonna determine me showing all the items that I have for the wedding that I've done, DIY'd or purchased or what have you. It'll be like a haul. I definitely want to share that with you guys, so let me know. And then this is a handheld mini fan that I got. So I'm super excited about this, because you know, as the bride, you're gonna be getting hot, dancing around and all that. So I got this handheld fan. It's actually bigger than I thought, but it's power in this thing. So that's that. And lastly, I got from Amazon, I'm not quite sure how I'm trying to put this in here correctly. So I'm like indecisive on my headpiece, like what type of headpiece I want, but this one is actually not bad. I actually found this one on Amazon, and it's the Catering Flower Bride Wedding Headband in Silver Crystal, and it looks like this. So cute. Wasn't sure if I wanted to go like bold and bigger. You can definitely return this. I just ripped it all open, but if it's not what you want, you can return it, which is cool. So it does come with a ribbon, comes with some hair clips and a little note, and then the headpiece itself. Let me just see how big it is, but it looks like it'll do what it needs to do. But I wasn't sure if I wanted to go big or go home, or if I just want to keep it this simple. But I think this size, I think this will be fine, honestly. Yeah, I think this will be fine. All right, and then, so here's the sign that I was talking about. I actually DIY'd this. This is a gold frame from the Dollar Tree. Really, really cute. And then the word here, I'll link down below, the Etsy shop that I use. but it's just basically telling all of our guests to please choose a wristband. Green if you're okay with hugs, yellow if you're okay with talking but not touching, and then red is you're okay with waving from 6 feet. And I think it'll help keep everything, you know, at ease and at peace for everyone's sake, and just being respectful of, you know, everything that's going on around us. And then it just has our name on the bottom. So if I remember, I'll link the Etsy shop that I got this from. This is the font that we're using for all of our like table signs, and I'm super excited. But I found these gold frames at the Dollar Tree, and I was like, I couldn't beat that with a stick. So yes, that is that. And so this is what is going to be in front of it, and it's going to have the wristband sticking up so that you can choose which one you like. And this is not an Amazon find, but I purchased these shoes from Ego Shoes, and I was so hyped about it. They actually have some really good shoes on there. It is a UK brand if you never shopped at Ego before, but these would have been so cute, but they're too big. And the crazy thing is, my natural size is 7.5, 8, depending on the shoe, but we know UK is a little bit different. But this is a size 8 in the US, a size 6 in the UK. But I just wanted to show you guys. They were a super cute shoe, but I have to send them back because they are too big. And then like, it's like all these rhinestones that goes around the ankle part. I'll insert a picture of what it would look like on the foot, but super cute shoe. And I'm not even able to like shape them or nothing because I'm going to send them back. But yeah, that is all the stuff so far that is going on with the wedding. If you guys want me to do a separate haul, like I said, with all the things that I've gotten so far for our wedding, then make sure you give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button, and then let me know down below. So yeah, in case I don't close out the vlog, this is the closeout. So I appreciate you watching this video, and until next time, love, peace, and beauty. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.